Hi there. Hope you have a fantastic day. This lesson, I will go through 2024 HSC paper with you. Of course, there's a PDF file versions on the description below for you to download so you can work with me. Otherwise, let's go straight into it. Question number 40. We know that AC is a straight line. So keep that in mind. And the question is, we need to find the bearing from O to C. Okay, from O to C means from here to here. So keep that in mind. So we know that this is 180 already. So we just need to find this angle theta. We add 180 degrees. That will give us the answer. So let me just clear this first. So now to work out angle theta, first, we need to work out this angle, and then we minus this angle here. Okay, so angle theta will equal to whatever that angle is, AOD. So angle AOD, we minus, let's say this angle here is beta. Okay, just write like that. So that gives us angle theta. So keep that in mind. So let's work out AOD first. So AOD is a non-triangle triangle here. So therefore, we just use cosine rule to work out angle AOD, and then we work out from there. Okay, let me just write it down first. So angle AOD, so cos of angle AOD is, remember the cosine rule, cos of C is equal to A squared plus B squared minus C squared over 2AB. Keep that in mind. And we know that AB is 38 and 42 centimeters. And C is 67.5. So therefore, A squared is 38 squared. We plus 42 square, and C is just always opposite the angle, minus 67.5 square over 2 times AB, 38 times 42. That is equal to, I just go fractions, 38 square, we add 42 square, we minus 67.5 minus 67.5 square, and 2 times 38 times 42. So there you go, negative 0.422 for now. So negative 0.422 and so on. So we just need to work out angle AOD. So which is inverse cos that. Let me just write this down. Angle AOD equal cos inverse negative 0.422. That will give me shift cos, the answer. There you go. Correct to the nearest degrees, 115 degrees. So 115 degrees. Now we need to find this angle here first. To find this angle, we know that from here to here is 360 degrees. So we need to work out 360 minus this angle. So this angle here is 285. So let me just write out here. Okay, so 360 minus 285, that will give me, so 360 we minus 280, so give us 80. 80 minus 5, 75. So we'll clear this. This is 75 degrees. So there you go. Now we can work out angle theta by using 115 degrees. We minus 75 because the whole angle here is 115 degrees, and we minus 75 degrees give us the angle theta. So let me just write this down. Angle theta will give me 115 minus 75. 110 minus 70 will give me 40, and then 5 cancel out anyway, so that is 40 degrees. So therefore, the bearing is angle theta at 180. Don't forget, that is 40 at 180 degrees, give me 220. So therefore, there you go. So the bearing of C from O is 220 degrees. Question 41. First of all, we know that the interest rate is 2.4% per annum and it compounded monthly. So we need to convert that to per month first. So let me just do it on here, okay? So 2.4% per annum, but compounded monthly, we divided by 12 because there are 12 months in a year. So let me just put on a calculator. So just go 2.4 divided by 12. So that is 0.2%. But the tables give us in terms of decimal. So we just need to divide it by 100 because percent means per 100. So if I divide it by 100, 0.02. So that is equal to 0.2%, which is same as 0.002. Keep that in mind. So this is the interest rate per month, okay? Now, we know that Phoenix withdraw $2,000 every month for the first 15 years. And he withdraw $1,200 at the end of each month for the next 10 years, starting at the end of 181st month. Okay, keep that in mind. And the question is, we need to work out the present value for these annuities. Okay, so let me just explain how it works in here. So you know that $2,000 is greater than 1,200. So in another word, $2,000 is 1,200 at $800. So what it means is this. So he withdraw from 0 to 15 years. So definitely he withdraw 1,200 plus $800. So keep that in mind. And then the rest of the term, that means all the way to 25 years, he withdraw 1,200. So keep that in mind, okay? So this is for the next 10 years. So this is this timeline here. And then for the first 15 years, Phoenix withdraw $2,000. So he withdraws $2,000 every month for first 15 years. After that, he withdraw 1,200, okay, dollars. So this means that we can work this way. So from here to here, we can make $1,200 for 25 years. And then we work out the present value for the first 15 years for $800. So we can just work like that. We add them together. So keep that in mind. So let's work out the present value for 1,200 first, okay, for 25 years. So 25 and is 25 years times 12. That will give me, so 12 times 25, 300. Okay, so let me have a look at this. So 300 is this and the interest rate is this. So this means that for annuity of $1, the present value will be $225.43. So that means, let me just write this down. So 225.43. So 225.43, that is every dollar. but now it's $1,200. So we times 1,200. Then we add the annuity for $800. So $800 for how many years? For 15 years. Sorry, we need to work this out. So that means, so this is 300. Now for next one is for 15 years, we times 12. That will give me, so just go 15 times 12, 180. So 180 with the rate of 0.02. So that will be here, 151.036. So 151.036. That is the present value for annuity of $1. But then the annuity is $800. So which is times 800. So that will give us the present value. Okay. The whole lump sum, if you like. So that is equal to, so I just go 225.43. We times 1200, then we add 151.036, we times 800. There you go, $391,344.80. So 391,344, 391,344.80. So that is the present value for these annuities here. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.